Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 30th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Mid-America Apartment Communities, a leading real estate investment trust focused on multifamily properties. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss MAA's performance this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. MAA reported rental and other property revenues of $554.4 million for the third quarter of 2025. John, how does this compare to last year?
MAA's revenue increased slightly from $551 million in the same quarter last year. Despite economic uncertainties, they managed to maintain a stable revenue stream, which is a positive sign for investors.
And what about profitability?
Net income available for common shareholders was $98.6 million, down from $114.3 million last year. However, their adjusted earnings per share came in at $2.16, which is quite close to the analysts' forecast of $2.07. This indicates that MAA is effectively managing its operations despite the challenges.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on MAA's operational efficiencies and their future outlook?
Certainly. MAA's same-store NOI saw a decline of 1.8%, but they achieved a record-low resident turnover of 40.2%, which is impressive. They are also expanding their portfolio with new developments in key markets like Kansas City and Raleigh. Additionally, they increased their credit facility to $1.5 billion, which positions them well for future growth.
How do these developments impact their future prospects?
These strategic moves, coupled with strong occupancy rates, suggest that MAA is well-positioned to capitalize on market recovery and drive earnings growth in the coming years.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts were expecting an EPS of $2.17. How did MAA perform in this regard?
MAA reported an adjusted EPS of $2.16, which is just a cent shy of the forecast. This slight miss is not significant and shows that MAA is largely meeting market expectations. They also provided a strong Core FFO guidance of $2.23 for the fourth quarter, indicating confidence in their operational strategy.
CEO's perspective and strategic initiatives. What insights did CEO Brad Hill provide regarding MAA's strategic direction?
Brad Hill emphasized the resilience of MAA's platform, noting their ability to deliver Core FFO results in line with expectations despite challenges. He highlighted recent acquisitions in Kansas City and Scottsdale as part of their strategy to leverage a strong balance sheet for growth. This approach is expected to fuel earnings growth for years to come.
Key takeaways. In summary, MAA has demonstrated resilience in a challenging market with stable revenues and strategic growth initiatives. Their adjusted EPS was slightly below expectations, but their strong guidance for the next quarter is promising. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing MAA's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on MAA's performance in the comments below.